Dynamic Phosphor Plate Scanner Unboxing Display. Let's check what's in the box. At the top of the box is a variety of product accessories. Then is the device host. Next, let's take a look at the product accessories. Equipment manuals. 4 sets of dental film protection sleeves with 100 pieces each. 4 imaging films. There is also the device power cord. 4 imaging films, 1 for number 0, 1, 2, 3. Different models of imaging films accommodate the all size of children, adults, and the elderly. Now, we take out the device power cord. Connect the power supply of the dynamic phosphor plate scanner to power on. It is easy to operate and respond quickly. Wonderful unboxing show. See you next time.